Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial where I am going to show you a nice feature in Windows Explorer, File Explorer, where you can preview a file right here on the side. So let's check it out. So right now I have two files over here. One is a text document and the other is a bitmap image, like an image. And I have them open over here so you can see the content. So this one just says I am a text document and the other one is just a drawing with a smiley face and text. So to view it, we just need to type in this, we just need to press this combination while the file is selected like that. We need to click Alt P and you can see that it comes on here. So this applies for both Windows 11 and Windows 10. So you can't edit the thing, but you can view it, and it's a pretty nifty feature if you just want to quickly see it, and you can expand the box like here. You can expand it and everything like that, but it's just a nice little feature. You can do the same thing. So when you're actually done, when you actually do that, it just does it for everything, so you don't need to do it again. So you can see the picture over there, not very good, very small, but it still works. If you do a folder, then it says no preview available, but it is pretty helpful for files. It also works for other files like PowerPoints or Word documents, and it's a pretty nifty feature. If you want to close it, you just got to type in Alt P again, like press Alt P, and then it'll just disappear. That's just one of the pretty cool features that Explorer has. Make sure to check out this channel for some more videos like this and others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.